Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to record daily sales in QuickBooks Online. This process helps you keep accurate financial records by documenting all transactions from your point of sale system in one place, making it easier to track revenue and prepare reports. Let's start by navigating to the plus icon, which you'll find in the left menu of your QuickBooks dashboard. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Sales Receipt. This is the tool you'll use to document daily transactions rather than invoicing individual customers. Next, you'll need to set up a customer profile for tracking these daily sales. Click the Customer drop-down menu and select New Customer. In the customer name field, type Daily Sales and then click Save. Creating this generic customer profile allows you to bundle all your daily transactions together without cluttering your system with individual customer records for every sale. Now, set the date of the sales receipt to match the current day. This ensures your records stay organized chronologically and makes it easier to reconcile your books later. From the Payment Method drop-down menu, choose how the payment was received, whether that's cash, credit card, or another option. This step is important because it affects how the transaction appears in your financial reports and bank reconciliation. Next, you'll need to decide where these funds should be recorded. Under Deposit To, select either your bank account if the money goes directly there, or undeposited funds if you'll be making a batch deposit later. Most businesses choose undeposited funds to match their actual banking practices. In the Product Service dropdown, select Daily Sales Bundle if you've already created a preset bundle for efficiency. If not, you can enter individual items or sales details one by one. This is where you'll document what was actually sold during the day. Input the total sales amount from your point of sale system in the appropriate line. Make sure this number matches exactly what your PO system shows to maintain accurate records. Now, enter any additional amounts collected, such as sales tax, tips, or other charges in the relevant fields. These should all correspond to your daily sales report totals. Before finalizing, review the total at the bottom to ensure it matches your daily sales report completely. If everything looks correct, you're ready to save. Click Save and close to record the sales for the day. Your daily sales are now properly documented in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.